Hello friends, today we are going to learn about refraction of light. Now, what is refraction or what is refraction of light? Suppose this is the direction of light and light is moving from one medium to other medium, and this is the separation of medium. So from here, if light is changing the medium, it will bend. This bending of light from first medium to second medium, from one medium to other medium, is called as refraction of light. So refraction of light is bending of light. When it changes its medium. Okay. Now let us understand why does this bending happens. This bending happens due to the change in velocity of light. Yeah, it is because of change in velocity of light. So bending is due to the change in velocity of light. Now I can explain you by giving an example. Suppose if this person is running on empty road, obviously he will run fast, no doubt about that. If he is running on an empty road, he will run fast. If the same person is made to run on a street filled with water, on a water filled road, what will happen? Tell me. If the person is running on a water filled road, what will happen? Obviously he will be running slow. So what is exactly happening to this person? जब वो एम्प्टी रोड पे वॉक कर रहा है, आई मीन रन कर रहा है, एम्प्टी रोड पे दौड़ रहा है, और फिर जब वो पानी वाले रोड पे दौड़ने लगेगा तो उसके स्पीड में बदलाव आ जाएगा, उसका जो वेलोसिटी है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. दिस इज क्वाइट ऑब्वियस, वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. तो जस्ट लाइक अ पर्सन, when he is walking on a free road and he is running on a water filled road, उसका स्पीड चेंज हो रहा है because of change in medium. If he is experiencing a change in velocity, definitely the same thing happens with the light. When light moves from one medium to other medium, there is a change in speed of the light. So that change in speed results in change in direction. Okay, so for light it is very clear stuffs. Key, whenever there is a change in speed, there is a change in direction, and this will happen only when it is moving from one medium to other medium. Okay, now some very good examples of refraction. The first example is when you are watching anything through a glass, that is because of refraction. It's a very clear cut example of refraction. If I am watching anything via a glass, in fact, if I am watching anything by wearing a spectacle, actually refraction is happening. So, viewing of anything over a glass. Another example is, if I am having a vessel which has got little water in it, and if this vessel has got a stick, if you are putting a stick into this water, what will happen? This stick will appear to bend something like this. I'm sure most of you must have witnessed this example. So, bend stick in a water vessel. Okay, so how is this happening? That is different story, but these are two very simple examples of refraction. Okay, now let us understand medium. What are these medium? See, when I was talking about refraction, I was talking about two medium. So in this two medium, one medium would be rarer and one medium would be denser. Among these two medium, one medium would be rarer, one medium would be denser, and vice versa. So medium could be rarer or denser. So what are these rarer or denser medium? Rarer is the one where density is less. Obviously both mediums would have difference in density, and denser is a medium whose density is more. So mediums are separated in two category, rarer and denser. Rarer medium is those medium जिसका density कम रहता है, and denser mediums are those medium उसका density ज़्यादा रहता है. ठीक है. So light के लिए both the cases are possible. Light can move from rarer to denser as well as denser to rarer, and we are going to see what is going to happen. Okay, so case 1, I'm talking about when light is moving from rarer to denser, and case 2, when light will move from denser to rarer. All right, so this is a line which divides two different medium. This is rarer and this is denser. Okay, now suppose this is a point where light is striking, light is coming and it is striking, and it is moving in another medium. So at this point what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a perpendicular. This perpendicular is called as normal. Normal is a reference perpendicular line drawn at the point where light is striking the separation of medium. This line is a separation of medium. This line divides both the medium, and at this point light is striking. Okay, light is hitting. So at this point, if I'm drawing a perpendicular, that happens to be normal. Now the light was originally supposed to go in this way, but light actually goes here. I told you about bending. See, light is bending. So this dotted line is a path through which light was supposed to go, but light is actually bending. And here the light bends towards the normal. We can clearly see light is bending towards the normal. Alright. Now if I take the same case over here, this is a separation of two medium, and this time light is moving from denser to rarer. light is moving from denser to rarer, so this is the direction of light, and at this point obviously I'm going to draw a normal. So this is my normal, and now this is the path where light is supposed to go. Light is supposed to go, but where light will actually go, it will go like this. Okay, so here also bending, I can see some bending is happening over here, and this is a bending. The light will bend towards, sorry, it's not bending toward, it will bend away from the normal. See, we can clearly see the light is moving away from the normal. This is the normal line and light is moving away. Here this was the normal line, and here light is moving towards the normal. All right, so this are the two possible cases of refraction, जहाँ पे light या तो rarer medium से denser medium में आएगा या denser से rarer medium में जाएगा. The third case is not possible. तीसरा केस है ही नहीं. It will only move from rarer to denser या denser to rarer if it is changing medium. ठीक है, so I hope आपको कुछ समझ में आया रिफ्रैक्शन के बारे में. थैंक यू.